So do you have a ceiling fan in your house? Maybe you've got a vaulted ceiling with one that's hanging down a little bit low, but you're not sure how to properly use it. Well, with ceiling fans, they're multi-directional. You can go one way or the other. They can either pull the air up or push the air down. So when the summer comes around, you want to push all that warm air down so it gets into your registers and gets cooled. It cycles your air through. But in the winter, you need to reverse that. When you reverse that, that pulls all the cold air up and allows it to cycle the air through and bring the heat back down for you to be comfortable. Ceiling fans are great to use year-round. You just got to make sure you keep them clean. Ceiling fans in the summer. Flip your switch, make sure it's going counterclockwise. That'll help circulate your air. Ceiling fans in the winter. Clockwise is the right rotation. Flip your switch, make sure it's pushing that air around.